welcome to Life, Beauty, and Soul. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and press that bell down here so you don't miss any uploads. I upload every Monday, God willingly and life permitting, and every so often on Thursdays for the Tasty Thursdays. Today our video is different video. We took a field trip to the market, and in it I'm going to show you where do I go in the Tulsa area to get some goodies for when I want to make my Puerto Rican dishes, or when I run out of spices and the things that I use the most when I do my dishes. And then hopefully, again, life permitting, this Thursday we'll be uploading the arroz con pollo, Puerto Rican style chicken and rice. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. I will put the address and where it's located. We went to Supermercado Morelos, and I will warn, I'm not the greatest camera person. I thought my daughter was gonna film, but then I decided she will push the cart and I would film. So hopefully this works out. It's the first time I do something like this, so guys, bear with me. We're learning. So anyways, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you at the market. Okay, so we are here. This is the market. It is Supermercado Morelos, and they have a lot of Hispanic, well, pretty much Hispanic foods. So every time I need something specialty that I know, I'm gonna find here, most likely. So, and we are in Tulsa, and I'm going to put the address right down below here so you guys can find it. So if you are in the Tulsa area and you want to do the recipe, most of the recipes that I make, this is where you come, get your Hispanic foods. So this is pretty much it. You know, it's just like any supermarket. And so we're gonna come right in here. This is where all the frozen things are. And in here, this is where I find the sofrito already made, or recaito already made, right here. These, we're gonna get some of these tostones, because this is a staple in the Puerto Rican dinners. So we're gonna get that. And you can also find some pasteles, and I've had these, and these are really good. The meat and stuff is within the masa, and this is made with plantains. Really, really good. Same as these. So yeah, I mean, you got all kinds of stuff. Also, another staple in Puerto Rican is maduros, and it's the same. It's a plantain. It's the same as the tostones, but these are made with green plantains, and those are made with yellow ripe plantain. And they're fried, and they're super delicious. Okay, I'm back here. Is where I'm hoping to find, oh my goodness, and I think they changed everything. So this is where I'm hoping to find my rice pot. The one oh yes, they have it. Okay, so again, lots of Hispanic utensils that you will see in the Hispanic kitchen. And this is the size of the rice pot that I'm needing, because right now I have a very small one and a very big one, but right now I'm needing this size to basically feed my family, because 2 cups of rice doesn't cut it anymore. So it's an aluminum pot, and this is what we call an arrocera in Puerto Rico. This is what most everybody used to make rice back home, and this is what we need. Great, we found it. And you know, if you want to make tortillas, this is a tortilla maker. Then you have something you barely see anymore, and it is your deli, not really your deli, this is carniceria. This is your meat market, and they have all kinds of goodies back here. Oh my goodness, they have longaniza, and we'll be making some of that with rice. I know it doesn't look appetizing right now, but trust me, in rice is awesome. Okay, so let's go find our seasonings, which is right here, folks. Okay, seasonings, seasonings, seasonings. This is why you want to come to El Mercado. Okay, so we are going to get some adobo. An adobo is a seasoning that you can use for anything, and there is all kinds of seasonings down here, but the one I really like to use is the one in the blue lid, and it's without pepper. I like to put the pepper to taste, but like the label shows, I mean chicken, all kinds of poultry, fish, beef. This is really good, and again, it's all kinds of good spices all in one, and this will last quite a bit because it takes a little bit. And so we season everything with that, garlic powder, onion powder, and other spices, and then you got bigger sizes down here, but I'm gonna take that regular size. And then look, I can't find this anywhere but here, and it is ham bouillon, and we use this a lot for our beans. And so we're gonna grab two because I'm completely out. And then you got your sazon. Now these you can find at Walmart nowadays, but since I'm here, I'm just gonna grab it. And there's several kinds of this. You have coriander and achiote, and then this one has saffron in it, and then this one has let's see, tomato and cilantro. So I like, this is the one I grew up with, and this is the one I like to use in all my dishes, and this camera is not focusing. So anyways, I'm sorry about that. So we're gonna use this. We'll give color and some more taste to our rice. Okay, and then we got, I mean, this is another kind. This is with garlic and onion in it. But I don't like this one because, again, I like everything in the adobo. And you got your adobo with pepper, with cumin. Look at this one with orange, citrusy. This I would do mostly with seafood. And then you got the one with lemon. Again, seafood would do really well with that one. So you got then your chicken bouillons, and you know what? These you can find at Walmart as well nowadays. But since I'm here, we're gonna grab another one. All right. Oh, I made everybody sick. So we got all kinds of goodies here. We got garlic. Again, this is another kind of recadito. See, and this one has both. This one has the cilantro and the coriander. That is the leaf that I'm gonna check over here on the produce and see if we're lucky and we may get some. Because if they do have it, I will make another batch of recadito. All right, and then the next thing we're going to get, that is a staple in my house and in Puerto Rican homes, because we like to make some fritters, is with this cornmeal. Now this cornmeal is already pre-cooked. This is yellow corn, and it is already pre-cooked, and it is very, very, very fine cornmeal. And then the one in the yellow packet is that white cornmeal. Again, both of them are pre-cooked, and these are great to, I like to lightly braid my tilapia fillets with this. And later on, I'm going to show you how to make some fritters with this. We love them fritters, right, Natalie? Yeah. Especially in the Christmas time, that with the sauce. Oh, love it, love it. Really healthy, people. Look away. But look at that. That is lard, folks. And lard is great to fry chicken in it. We're living more healthy nowadays, and I don't cook with lard. All right, so let's see. And then there are some kind of pasta that I really like to get here, because this brand you can't find at Walmart that much anymore. And it's La Moderna, and they have all kinds of different types of pasta. Look, alphabet soup, And something about this brand, great. It is just something about it that I just absolutely love. And I like these little ones for chicken soup. These are the best for chicken soup. But we're fixing to be in the hot weather, so you know, probably not so much right now. I don't need it. But here you got some of the canned goods. This you can come and find. Let me see. I'm not seeing them now. I'm about to say you can find it here. I usually find here the pigeon peas that I like to make, especially for Christmas time with rice, which will be another recipe that I will show you. There they are. There you go. Here are the pigeon peas. And Puerto Ricans, we know what this is. We make an awesome rice. It can be made really anytime during the year, and we will be doing that. But that is a very typical food for Christmas time. And then we have the hot sauces. Should we grab us a Valentina? I was one of these. Since we're here, you can get that at Walmart as well, but since we're here, we're gonna grab it. Oh, if I wasn't on a diet, I would get me one of those. That's malt beverage. That takes me back to Puerto Rico in a hot summer day. Okay, so we're going to the produce part. And so let's see what we can find here. Spices, 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 spices. For anything you need. Chilies. This is where I'm hoping to find. Ali, you want some habanero? Don't even touch it. Oh my goodness, I'll be. Is this what I no, this is not it. No, that's not it. I thought that was coriander, but it's not. Okay, well. Oh, okay. They don't have it. Okay, these are root vegetables. One of these. Next time we're gonna be showing you what to do with those. These are awesome. Cheeses again. Oh, Osaka cheese. Awesome, awesome, awesome for quesadillas. Really good. Peño quesadilla, I mean, Oaxaca. And the ranchero. This is awesome. This is huge, but this is kind of like a feta, but less salty. It's a fresh cheese. Very good. Oh my goodness. But this is too... Okay. Later on we'll come back for some more of these, of the green bananas. Because green bananas, you can eat them boiled and in escabeche. And again, another typical food for parties in Puerto Rico, Christmas, but family reunions, parties, you will not go to a party without this kind of escabeche. And it's green banana that we boil and then we kind of pickle. And so, oh my gosh, it's so good. And that is like party food for us. And here's how are the plantains. This is what you do. Those things that I showed you on the box, the yellow plantain. But I wanted some green plantain. All right. Forgot to bring you to this aisle. And here we have cereals and Nutella. Okay, this is awesome hot cocoa right here. This is, you know what this is. You're from the island. Chocolate Cortez. This is so good. And it's so thick because we make it with evaporated milk. So you got that here. So if you need that, or you want an awesome hot cocoa for this coming Christmas, come and get it. And I believe it has instructions in the back. We may be doing some of that too. I mean, you let me know what you want me to show you how to do, and we will do it. Okay, I came back because I cannot leave this store without some of these. Goya, palmeritas, Oh my gosh, these are bomb. So we're gonna get 2 of those. Coffee, and of course, some of these biscuits. Maria cookies. And that's the name of my sister, Maria. And these are awesome with peanut butter, coffee. Oh, I may be on a diet, but guess what? I think these are within my point system. Anything is within my point system, really. But I mean, you got all kinds of sweets to try. Oh, these are awesome with that butter. Oh my gosh. We're gonna take some of these too. Cream cheese. Oh, so good, right? So yeah, I mean, look at the piñatas, like up here. This is awesome. Okay, I didn't get that much today because I really didn't need. I have the chicken I need. I have the rice. I just needed the spices and that pot and the cornmeal. But there are all kinds of stuff. So if you want to cook some authentic Hispanic or Mexican food, you're in the Tulsa area, Supermercado Morelos, that's where you need to come. And you're gonna find all the peppers and all the spices that you're going to need for your dish. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Press that bell so you don't miss any upload. And for those of you who continue to be with me, welcome back. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you guys will give this store a try. Again, like I said on the video, if I didn't edit it out, if you want to make any Mexican dishes, like any Mexican recipes you may find on Pinterest or on the TV or on a cookbook, this market has everything you need. Authentic Mexican and Hispanic foods. They have a great selection at the meat market. Honestly, if they weren't that far from me, I'd be there for all my meats and pork and things like that. But if you're in the Tulsa area, hey, you got a new place to go shop. I hope to see you back next Monday. Stay tuned for the arroz con pollo recipe later this week. And until then, I am sending you lots of love and blessings. Mwah.